The monster is breaking his promise, and he eats the cat. Here we're gonna see Power's story, and how she met Meaw. First she was going to eat him, but wasn't hungry, so she fed him cow milk to make him nice and fluffy.
I'm eager for the day I can finally
She looked him
slaughter
thrive and growing and became attached to him, which was very weird to her.
Always killed
She didn't understand the feeling. In that moment, the monster comes and takes Meaw away from her and promises to give it back to her only if she gives him a human. The flashback is back, and Power thinks about emotional attachment to animals.
Dreadful feeling.
Now with disappointment in her eyes, Power is eaten by the monster. Monster's flying away, hunting for some people. However, finds Danger on his leg, who said that he will not give up and do anything to get his dream come true. Here Danger reminds himself about Pachita and how he cared about his pet devil. How once he was lost and found him in a cabin, crying and waiting for him. Sympathized with Power. And while he still wants his dream come true, he wants to save the girl. Danger saves the woman who freezes in fear. Also says, get away from there. The monster is coming. Danger fearfully fights the monster. He knows that if he doesn't win, he's gonna lose his promise. The town is being destroyed. Danger sees a father and a son, and he saves them from the monster. Now he's angry and wants to get rid of him as fast as he can. The monster destroys the majority of the street.
Impatient as a freaking saint.
He won't give up and charge on the monster with full power. This is his only chance, and the monster falls to his defeat.
Well,
Here
there's one
Makima
that's
is
promising
meeting her
and one
bosses.
that's
She's telling them
interesting,
about
I'd say.
special case of Denji,
Interesting.
who is a human and
a
devil.
recently adopted pup.
They are interested with the case. They ask
Just don't
her
form
to go get a
unnecessary
pet,
attachments. They aren't your
get them trained,
lapdogs.
and get to
Get
work
these hounds
ASAP.
through obedience school and put them to work.